question number 3. They say, as used in line 96, the word compromised mostly mean what? And if you notice, both SAT and ACT, they provide you some of this kind of like vocab test. And for the SAT, before I mentioned, I say, I usually don't suggest students to memorize those vocab. However, I do break the vocab into several lists and I give you as homework. So you can just go over it, right? So some of the vocab, because they focus on the meaning in the context. So it doesn't really matter if you don't really know it, but as long as you know the sentence meaning, right? However, some students, they having trouble. They don't recognize any answer choices, the words. That's going to be hard, right? For example, you don't know what is A means, what is C means, what is D means, how you're going to choose it, right? Even you know the meaning of the sentence, you can't choose it. All right. So, but you never choose it based on the meaning you know. For example, you know compromise means something, then you just try to choose one that doesn't make sense, okay? So the fact that a compromise normally means came to agreement, right? That should immediately tell you D. Oh, wrong. Okay, if you choose D, you get it tricked, okay? So correct answer to the vocab in a contest question. Again, let me repeat again. They virtually never restate the most common meaning, okay? They will never restate the most common meaning. Now think about a contest. So we go back to the line 96, okay? So we read the sentence and then we try to come up with our own words. So the writer feels bad about the fact that LCE could be implicated in her theft, right? And it states like, LC's reputation is also at stake. So in this context, inquired about does not make sense, right? So we try to plug in each answer choices in it. So inquire about doesn't make sense, right? So what is make sense? Put at risk. That's consistent with the idea that writer, you know, like the narrator's theft could get Elsie in trouble. That's what they try to say, right? So put at risk will be the answer, B.